Hello, my name is Aditya Bay Putranto. I'm an Associate Technical Advisor at Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today, we will learn about how to create SSID at Virtual SmartZone. So, the prerequisite, we should already install Virtual SmartZone, and then the access point already connected to SmartZone, and access point zone already created, and access point already at the right zone. So let's get to the hands-on. Here, the access point is already at zone, and now we move to the wireless LAN. At the ruckus test, we select at the ruckus zone. In this ruckus zone, we can create SSID. And okay, we should wait. Okay, and the SSID is Smart Zone Bus Test. The zone is at ruckus zone, and the authentication, I think we should use open, and the encryption is none, and at the advanced options is VLAN is 1, max client is 100. Okay, about this maximum client, this R310 is the maximum is around 100 at the datasheet, but in the real, I suggest you maximum only 50. Okay, I think it's enough, and select OK. And right now the SSID is not yet broadcasted. Okay, it's not yet broadcasted. We should wait until this access point is broadcasting the SSID. And there is alarm. There is alarm. The alarm type is AP rebooted by system because of WLAN. Okay, I see the access point right now. The LED 5G and the LED 2.4G is already light amber, and the SSID should be here. And now we can connect to the SSID. And I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.